Hello everyone, thank you guys so much for stopping by. My name is Jonathan and this is Homestead Foodie, the cooking show that takes place right here on my family's homestead. And today I have something very tasty for you. This is inspired by my love of chicken piccata, one of my favorite dishes, but I wanted to do something vegetable centric, vegetables, mushrooms, but I wanted it to have that same depth of flavor. This is what I came up with. Stick around and I hope you enjoy. All right, as you can see, our water is nice and hot. We're going to start off with blanching our asparagus. Now, before you blanch your asparagus, you want to make sure you have your cold water with ice waiting, because once we bring this asparagus out of the water, we have to put it directly into the ice water to stop the cooking process. This asparagus will be in this water for no more than 60 seconds. So let's set a timer and drop. And then start the timer. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Pull your asparagus, drop it into your ice water. Make sure your asparagus is submerged, and you're good. All right, everyone, now it's time to move on to the next part of our dish, which is preparing our sauce. So we're going in with our olive oil. We're following that with our mushrooms, our turkey bacon. Stir everything. I'm adjusting the heat up just a bit, looking for some more applause. Now let's go in with our black pepper and our salt. Now we are seasoning to taste with our salt and black pepper. As you can see, our veg has started to break down. Everything looks good. We're heading in the right direction. So now it's time to add our shallots. And it's time to add our heaping amount of garlic. Lots of beautiful aroma, smells so good. Now we want to give the garlic and the shallots some color before we go in with our wine to deglaze the pan and our other ingredients. All right, now let's go in with our capers. Beautiful, beautiful. Follow the capers with our white wine. Get all that delicious fond off the bottom of the pan. There we go. That's what I like to see. Definitely what I like to smell. Hit that with our butter. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, this smells so good. The garlic, the butter, the capers. Oh my goodness. As our butter melts down, let's hit it with our chicken stock. Now let's turn this up. We want to bring all this up to a boil. Bring to boil, reduce to simmer. While we're bringing this to a boil, let's hit it with our half of a lemon. All the juice. Oh, I think I just lost the seed in there. Never want that. Never want that. There we go. Got that seed out of there. Going in with just a little bit of chili flake. Okay, now we are going to let this reduce down to the point where it will coat the back of our spoon. All right, now, while your sauce cooks down, take that time to start preparing your asparagus. All right, so let's get our asparagus ready to go. We're going to cut this at an angle. So come back on your asparagus and cut like so, and you're done. Okay, the asparagus is ready to go. It's in our bowl. This is going to be tossed into our sauce at the very, very end. And as you can see, as we were attending to our asparagus, our sauce was cooking down beautifully. Let me cut the heat, mixing it around. Let's see, let's do the test. See that? She's ready to go. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. Our sauce is done. Let's move on to our pasta. Our water is boiling and ready to go. It's been generously salted. Let's drop in our pasta. Our pasta is all done. It is time to finish up this dish. So now we go in with our asparagus. Mix it in. Don't beat it up. Just mix it in a little bit. Just a little bit. We take our pasta and we drop that on in. Now, the beautiful thing about this particular pasta is that it always holds a little bit of liquid inside. So when you take a bite, you'll get nice little Nice little surprises, nice little bits of the sauce trapped inside the pasta as you eat it. Just make sure everything is nice and coated. Okay, now we hit it with our cheese, hit it with our parm. Be generous. Be very, very generous. Hit it with our Romano cheese. Be generous. All right. All right, now, time to plate. All right, folks, we have made it to my favorite time, my absolute favorite time. It is time to plate. All right, so let's go in. Grab some of this deliciousness. Just drop it in there. Don't be afraid, get on in. Time to finish it with more cheese. More cheese, my friend. Absolutely, yes, more cheese. We're going in with the Romano, following that up with the Parmesan. And as you can see, we are all done, everyone. This beautiful, delicious, look at that. Beautiful, delicious Piccata inspired meal. This thing is so good. It's really tasty. Like, my mouth is salivating right now because of the smell. It's ridiculous. Try this recipe, trust me. You will not be disappointed. And anyone you serve this to, they're going to be pretty happy as well. My name is Jonathan. This has been Homestead Foodie. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end. It is always appreciated. And until I see you guys again, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you later.